Select the horizontal type tool and type the first letter of your text. Select the Move tool and press Ctrl+T. Resize the letter and place it on the left side of the canvas. Click on the FX icon and select Stroke. I use a size of 15 pixels, and I position it on the outside. Make the stroke the same color as the background. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the text layer. Use the horizontal type tool to change the letter. Then use the Move tool to move the letter. Repeat this for the rest of the text. Select all the text layers and press Ctrl+T. You can now resize and move the entire text. And that's how you create this text effect.